Here we are looking at unit vectors. A vector u with the length or magnitude of 1 is a unit vector. And here we are told if v is a non-zero vector, then to find the unit vector, you do v divided by the magnitude of v. That's the unit vector. And it says any vector in the direction of v or the opposite direction is the multiple of this unit vector. Remember, a unit vector u is simply a vector with a magnitude of 1. So let's do some examples in finding the unit vector. So find the unit vector in the direction of v and verify that it has a length of 1. So here we take this vector and we're given the vector v. Remember the formula to find this unit vector. This is going to be the same as you take v over magnitude of v. Let's start by finding the magnitude of v. To get the magnitude of v, we take negative 3 squared, negative 3 squared plus 4 squared. We're going to find the square root of that, which is equals to 9 plus 16, which is equals to 5. So now I just need to write the unit vector. It's going to be v, the vector v, which is negative 3, 4, divided by 5, which is the same as negative 3 over 5, 4 over 5. So that's the unit vector. And then I'm also told to verify that it has a length of 1. So I'm just going to find the square root of negative 3 over 5 squared. I'm just finding the magnitude of the solution I got, plus square root of 4 over 5 squared, which is going to be 9 over 25 plus 16 over 25 square root, the same as square root of 25 over 25, which is 1. So it's verified. So I know this is a unit vector. And let's do another example. Find the unit vector in the direction of this vector and verify that it has a length of 1. So here I have this vector, negative 2, 4. So to find the unit vector u, it's going to be v over the magnitude of v. So let's start with the magnitude of v equals to negative 2 squared plus 4 squared, which is equals to 4 plus 16, which is equals to square root of 20. Now I just need to find the unit vector, which is going to be negative 2, 4, and I'm going to divide this by square root of 20, which is equals to negative 2 square root of 20 and 4 over square root of 20. And remember, this could be rationalized. I just didn't rationalize. And then we could also find whether, let's find whether this has a magnitude of 1. We just verify. So this is going to be negative 2 over square root of 20 squared plus 4 over square root of 20 squared. Get the square root of that, which is equals to 4 over 20 plus 16 over 20, which is equals to 1. So it has a magnitude of 1. So that's how to find the unit vector. And remember let me just explain a little more. When you have this unit vector, let me just sketch this vector. So this is negative 2, 4. So this is the unit vector v. No, not the unit vector, but this is the vector v. Now we are told to find a unit vector in this direction. And see, that's the unit vector in the same direction with a magnitude of 1 right there.